Welcome to another episode of Staying In with Lewis and David. Tonight, I'm making a simple pasta dish with 5 ingredients that I just bought at Trader Joe's. Let's check it out. Ingredient number 1, a shallot. Ingredient number 2, Trader Joe's garlic herb chicken sausage. Ingredient number 3, bag of baby spinach. Ingredient number 4, pasta. You can try a whole wheat pasta. Tonight, for some reason, I grabbed the brown rice quinoa pasta. We'll see how it is. And a jar of Trader Joe's marinara sauce. You can try any of the different flavors at Trader Joe's. Okay, splash of olive oil, probably the equivalent of 2 tablespoons. Drop in the shallots. And in with the chicken sausage. I'm going to cook the pasta for 9 minutes. Once the sausage is browned, go ahead and start putting in the spinach. You're going to do it 2 batches at a time. Give it room to cook. After 3 or 4 minutes, you'll notice the spinach has cooked down. And we will now add in the pasta sauce. Salt and pepper this to taste. I also added a little garlic, but didn't put it in the recipe. I also put a little bit of the pasta water, maybe 1/4 cup, into the pasta sauce right at the end, just to make it a little more liquidy. What stands out?
I love the spinach. I love the apple sausage. It's really, really good. Bon appetit.